Hey guys, it's Reese, and today I'm showing you some of my recent slimes that I have that I just kind of made. Well, this one, and this one. Yep, these are the ones. And so, yeah. Dark, but it's okay. Sorry guys, I know I'm walking a little bit. Okay, I tried to get all of it, which I did. There's just like a little piece left. Okay, so here's the big orange slime, and I don't know if you can see, but it has some, it's a fluffy slime. And my friend Emily made this one. I bought it from her, and she made it really, really good. Sorry about that noise in the background. It's my sister. She's watching YouTube. Okay, so here's the slime in a bigger way. Okay, here is when I swirled it. So, yep, that's this one. Okay, this is a putty slime that I made. Yeah, so this is type of like a slime putty. It is really stretchy. That's why it's kind of like a slime. And it feels like a slime, but it's it acts like a putty. It's really cool. There. Okay. Okay, so yeah, this is a really, really nice putty. Slime putty, I guess you can say. There. Okay, and this is the last one. This is a candle slime, which I made with the candle wax. I've seen a whole bunch of YouTube videos about this one, which I thought this one was really cool. But, yeah, I think this one is really, really cool. It smells awesome. I don't know if you guys have ever smelt what's it called? A cinnamon candle. This is the kind of candle I use, and it smells just like it. And guys, I'll be showing you in another video, because I know I haven't posted them for a while, but I'll be showing you in another video on how to make slime. Not like candle slime. I might, but I don't really want to because it's a very messy process, but I might do it. But I'm going to teach you how to make just like regular slime if you guys want to know. So yeah, I know there are a whole bunch of slime channels out there, but you know, that's what we're here for, to tell you how to make slime. But yeah, so this is the end of my video, so like and subscribe, and if I get enough commenters, like enough people who actually comment, at the end of every week I'll announce the winner. But that will be as soon as I hit more subscribers than just a couple, because I literally like kind of just started. So yeah, so at the end of every week I'll announce someone if I have enough comments and once I'm ready like to get to enough subscribers. So like and subscribe, and bye.